In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image carousels to Google Sites. An image carousel is a rotating gallery that cycles through multiple pictures in one clean, compact space. It's great for portfolios, product highlights, event recaps, or any time you want to show a series of visuals without taking up the whole page. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can add one with confidence. Start by opening your Google Site project in editing mode. If you're viewing a published page, switch to Edit so you can make changes. Once your site is open, look to the right-hand sidebar where the main tools live. This is your Insert panel. Think of it as your toolbox for adding content. If you don't see it, your window might be narrow. Try widening the browser or clicking to expand the panel so the insert options are visible. From there, choose Image Carousel. When you click it, Google Sites will prompt you to pick the images you want to feature. You can upload from your computer or select items already in your Google Drive. Carousels work best with at least 2 images, and they look most polished when the photos are a similar orientation and size. That way, the carousel doesn't jump around as it advances. Aim for clear, well-lit images and avoid very large files that could slow down loading. Moderate image sizes usually offer a good balance of quality and performance. As you choose your images, you'll see thumbnails you can reorder. Drag them into the sequence you want viewers to see. If you plan to use captions, consider concise, informative text that adds context without clutter. Short, descriptive captions improve clarity and accessibility, and consistent naming helps you stay organized. When you're ready, click Insert to place the carousel on your page. It will land wherever your cursor was positioned, and you can immediately adjust it. Use the blue handles to resize the carousel so it fits your layout, and drag it into the exact section or column where it belongs. If you click the carousel again, you'll find simple settings like automatic advancement and navigation dots. Choose what feels right for your audience. Auto advance can create momentum, while dots or arrows give visitors clear manual control. If captions are enabled, keep them legible against the image by choosing high contrast text and avoiding busy backgrounds. Finally, take a moment to review how the carousel feels in context with the rest of your page. Consistency, clarity, and clean spacing will make your images shine. That's all it takes to add an engaging image carousel to your Google site.